Check out this 2006 BMW 6 Series. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission, reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.